In this video, we'll cover how to post to LeadProsper from Swipe Pages. Once you've logged into Swipe Pages, under the Landing Pages tab, you'll select the page and the variant you want to connect to your LeadProsper campaign. Here, you can easily edit the design and fields of your form. In our case, we'll be collecting the 5 fields seen here on this example home improvement form that we want to use to ingest data into LeadProsper. Once you've set up the form with your own fields, click back to the dashboard and click the Integrations tab. Scroll to the bottom and select Webhooks. Here, you'll give your webhook a name, add the URL from the API specifications, and select the webhook type, which in this case is a form submission. If you're not sure how to generate LeadProsper API specs, check out the video in the top right corner of your screen. Next, we'll select our method, which is post. Headers are unnecessary here, so don't worry about this section. The next step is mapping fields. Copy the fields from your LeadProsper API specs and paste them next to the corresponding Swipe Pages field. The final step for the webhook integration is to add the LP campaign ID, LP supplier ID, and LP key in the additional data section. You'll find this information in your API specs. Here, you also want to add the field LP action with the value test so that the lead will be marked as a test in the LeadProsper system. Close out and click on the URL under the name of your landing page. Fill out the fields with some test data, hit submit, and go back to your LeadProsper campaign. Click the Analytics tab, view the campaign you're testing, and you should see the lead under Requests. Click here and you'll see the test data sent from your form. Note that Swipe Pages sends quite a bit of extra data with each lead that cannot be removed. However, this will not affect the lead at all, and the form fields will always be shown first. And that's it. As you can see, it's very simple to integrate Swipe Pages with LeadProsper. As always, if you have any questions, submit a support ticket or send us an email at support@leadprosper.io.